Good morning. Welcome to Math for Kids number
70.
This is a really cool problem that we saw in Khan Academy this morning. And we thought we'd make a video about it because it's actually a really important problem to learn. It teaches a lot of different things about problem solving. So here we go. There are 7 people in a room.
Star Wars figures.
Star Wars Lego figures. If everyone shakes everyone's hand exactly once, how many handshakes are there? So the way we're going to approach solving this problem is by making the problem a little bit easier. That's kind of the lesson in this problem, and we're going to see if we see a pattern. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. I'll try to keep the whiteboard in the same place. If there's exactly one person in the room, and that person shakes everyone else's hand, how many handshakes are there?
0 handshakes.
0.
You can't shake yourself.
0. Okay. Now, what if there are 2 people in the room? How many handshakes are there?
There's 1 handshake.
Yeah, so I'll draw a line connecting them.
Just don't get the minifigures dirty.
I won't get the minifigures dirty, don't worry. Okay. Now, how about if there are 3 people? So bring 3 people over. So each line will represent a handshake. So you want to give it a try drawing? How many handshakes are there going to be?
We're doing something twice. Yoda with Anakin. This looks like there's 3.
Looks like there's 3. So this guy shakes this guy's hand, this guy shakes that guy's hand, this guy shakes that guy's hand. So how many? With 3? How many handshakes are there? 3. So no, it's hard to see a pattern yet. 0, 1, 3. I didn't even bother checking this out on camera. Ooh, geez, got lucky. Just barely on camera. Okay, now when there's 4, so let's make a little bit more room. Let's erase. So we'll put these guys over here to the side. Let's move these guys off. Now 4. We're going to need a little bit of room for this, so let's put them like this. Who's this new guy?
Koth.
Okay. All right. So now start with one per. Who do you want to start with?
Ian.
Okay. So he draw the lines to some person when he shakes their hand.
Diagonal lines.
Okay. So that person shakes 3 guys' hands. Who do you want to go to next?
Yoda.
Okay.
He's got 2.
2. Because he already shook that guy's hand, so you don't have to draw that line.
Anakin.
So how many lines did you end up drawing there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Okay. So it goes. The pattern so far goes 0, 1, 3, 6. Okay. And notice that when you did this, let's go back and look at this slowly. Okay, let's erase and we'll go back and look at it a little more slowly. We'll do it in slow motion.
Okay.
Okay, so when you started with one person, how many handshakes did that one person have?
0. You hit 3.
3. Then when you went to Yoda, how many handshakes were next? So first it was 3, then it was
2.
2, and then it was
1, and then
1.
It was 0.
So you had to add 3 plus 2 plus 1 to get 6. So that's a big hint for the next problem, because the next time we're going to have 5 people in the room.
Commander Cody.
Commander Cody comes into the room. Does Commander Cody know Yoda?
Yeah.
Do they know all these people?
Yeah, they live in the Jedi Temple together.
Commander Cody lives in the Jedi Temple? Cool. Okay, who do you want to start with?
Mr. Yoda.
Yoda, okay. So how many people's hands does Yoda shake? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we start with 4. Now who are you to go to next?
Anakin.
Anakin. 4 plus 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3 is?
That's 7.
Okay, so we're at 7. Who do you go to next?
Shock.
Okay.
6, yeah. And 2.
4 plus 3 plus 2 is?
Is gonna be 9.
9.
And then I have to go to Commander Cody. You didn't shook Ian Koth's hand.
So 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus
1
is?
10.
10. So isn't that interesting? So what do you think with 6 people it's going to be? So with 5 it was 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. With 4 it was 3 plus 2 plus 1.
I think it's gonna be 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1.
So we think it's going to be 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 with 6 people. Okay? And what does this equal, by the way?
It's 15.
15. Okay, now we might have a guess as to what the pattern is. The difference between this one, 1 and 2, was 1. The difference between 2 and 3 was 2. The difference between 3 and 4, 6 minus 3, is 3. The difference between 4 and 5 was 4. So it looks like the pattern increases 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like we should increase by 5 here to get 15. Now let's see. We need 6 people. Got to erase. Yoda, can you just erase this? Can't he just wave his hand and erase all this stuff?
Okay, now clone gunner comes in.
Let's make a lot of room here. Maybe it may be like this and put 2 down here. Okay, who do you want to start with?
Let's start with 1 on the edge.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so probably a more systematic way to do it would be to go around like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so who do you want to go to next?
The clone gunner.
Okay, so do it systematically. So we did 5 plus 1,
2,
3,
I forgot Yoda.
4. Okay, so again, do it. Let's start over with this. Do it systematically. Don't just randomly draw the lines. Have a plan for how you're going to draw them. Okay. Okay. All right. So here's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So we've got our 5. Now who are you going to go to next? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, who are you going to go to next?
Yoda.
No.
Ian Koff.
Okay, go.
He's going to go Yoda.
1, 2, 3. Who are you going to go to next?
Now Yoda.
Okay. 1 and
I'm going to make it.
2. And
Anakin.
then finally?
There's going to be 1.
1. Okay, now let's look at what we have here. So we got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just like we were thinking. So we got to 15, and if we take the people away, notice that at every point you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this line got partially erased. Here, you see it coming over here?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one was 5. Okay. Now, so with 6 we got 15. So what do you think the answer is going to be with 7?
7's going to be 21. No, 15, no.
So,
no.
What do you think we're going to have to add
6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1.
Which is?
Which is, in fact, 21.
21. Okay, so let's see if we can draw. We think the answer is going to be 21. And let's put our 7 guys and let's spread them all apart so we know we got lots and lots of room here. Lots and lots and lots and lots of room. Okay. So we can draw lines. Maybe it would even be better to stand them up. Okay, so they're kind of standing around a circle.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Okay, who do you want to start with? And make sure to go systematically here.
We want Kenobi.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we got our 6. Now who do you want to go to next? Okay,
Cody.
good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ah!
Ow.
Okay, so we got our 6 plus 5. Who are you going to go to next?
Clone Gunner.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Who are you going to go to next?
Her.
1, 2, 3. Good. Who are you going to go to next?
Yoda.
1, 2, and finally 1. So now let's look at the lines going out from each person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone's got the same. So the answer was?
21.
Okay, so that was a nice systematic way of doing it. We found a pattern, and then the pattern, we saw how the pattern continued. So now actually we would know, even if we had 8 people in the room, we would know we would have to add 7 to that and get
21 plus 7, 29. 28.
28. Good. All right, good job, sweetie.